Judge O'Connor in the Northern District of Texas entertained a motion for a preliminary injunction filed by 13 states, including Texas, to stop implementation of the transgender bathroom regulation that the Department of Education had put out. The basis was that the Department of Education and the Obama administration had not properly applied rules and regulations called the Administrative Procedures Act, or the APA, because they did not allow any notice and comment before instituting the regulations. So Judge O'Connor enjoined the implementation of those regulations, and he did it nationwide.
Right. All right. So I guess if the administration wanted to, they could follow along that procedure and reintroduce this, no?
Yes, that's what I expect them to do. I expect them to go ahead and try to follow the APA's regulations. Problem is, I don't know if there's enough time in the Obama administration left for them to do that.
Right. All right, so now what? What could happen now, Jim?
Well, the next thing they could do, I guess they could ask for a reconsideration of the injunction. That probably won't do them any good. They can also appeal to the Fifth Circuit immediately because it's an injunction, and get the Fifth Circuit to weigh in on whether or not the injunction is proper. I don't see that they're going to have much luck with that either, because O'Connor's order is pretty solid.
Okay. Ultimately, does an issue like this wind up at the Supreme Court?
It can, yes. Although the Supreme Court is unlikely to take it at this point, because until the APA goes through the proper, or until the administration goes through the proper Administrative Procedure Act rules, the Supreme Court wouldn't consider it to be ripe. O'Connor has basically said that regulation doesn't even exist at this point because it wasn't properly implemented by the administration. So there's really nothing for the Supreme Court to review.
We're speaking live this morning with Texas Attorney Jim Pickle, talking about this judge's decision that blocks the Obama administration's directive, which basically allowed transgender public school students to use whatever bathroom they felt like. Some say these transgender kids are subject to abuse, harassment. There's a stigma. Should something not be done here?
Well, many of the states in the 13-state coalition have already taken steps to